We are going to go ahead and unbox the Best Choice Product 61 key beginner keyboard together. Honestly, this whole setup experience was a lot smoother than what I was expecting. Everything came packaged really neatly and labeled. Each piece was wrapped so nothing was scratched or damaged. It felt like they actually put some thought into the protecting the parts during shipping. Inside the box, you actually get the keyboard, the stand, the bench, headphones, the power adapter, and even a set of note stickers, which is a really nice touch for beginners. This is for my son for a Christmas present, so I want to go ahead and get the base of it set up, but I'm going to leave the keyboard in the box so that he can unwrap that Christmas morning. That way, it's quick and easy. He can just set it on top there, apply the screws, and he can begin playing without having to wait for me to set this up. The instruction booklet looked intimidating at first, but the actual assembly was pretty straightforward. The stand clicked into place really easily, and once you figured out the height you want, it feels sturdy enough for practice. The bench took maybe a minute to put together, literally just tightening a couple screws, and it's surprisingly comfortable for a beginner's kit. Setting the keyboard on the stand is going to be simple. It's going to fit securely with just two little knobs. Plugging everything in is basically self-explanatory. Overall, the unboxing feels organized and the assembly was beginner friendly. No tools needed, nothing confusing. If you're buying this for a kid, a new learner, or someone picking up piano again for a long time, the setup won't overwhelm them at all. This was very easy, very nice design. If you want a keyboard set that's simple to unbox and put together, something you can literally set up and start using within 10 to 15 minutes, this one checks all those boxes. It feels beginner friendly from the moment you open the box, which is exactly what it's meant for.